To show you that this is a very lucrative niche on Amazon KDP, if I go to Amazon right here and search for coloring book using the Jungle Scout Chrom extension, you can see right here these are all coloring books, and these sellers are making thousands of dollars in passive income, and these are their monthly revenue. This one is making about $9,000 plus, this one is making about $6,000 plus, same here, $5,000 plus, and the list keeps going on and on. What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you're seeing this face for the first time, hello, I'm glad to have you here. Thanks for joining us. Don't be a stranger. Kindly click on the subscribe button and join the family. So a lot of us are probably familiar with the term low content books, but for some of us who don't know what low content books are those books that has exact same pages. This could be notebooks, journals, planners, and they're really popular on Amazon KDP. And for some of these reasons, recently the market for low content books has started to get really saturated, which means there are thousands and thousands of these books on Amazon KDP. But in this video, I'm going to show you another fun and interesting way you can still be making thousands of dollars in passive income on Amazon KDP through creating and publishing something called medium content books. This could be stuff like coloring book, activity books, word search, etc. So with this, lots of people are making thousands of dollars in passive income through putting this together and publishing it on Amazon KDP. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I created my own medium content coloring book by following 3 simple steps, which I'm about to share with you for free. You don't need to know how to design because I'm not an artist myself. And the good thing is that you just need to create and publish this once on Amazon KDP, and Amazon will handle every other thing. They will handle the printing of the book, they'll handle the packaging, they'll handle shipping it to your customer. And when sales starts coming, you start earning your commission. If you want to start making money through this avenue, kindly stick with me to the very end of this video. I'm going to show you step by step on how to go about it. It's as simple as to just copy and paste. So let's dive right into it. So our first step is to research on what type of coloring book has high demand with low competition. And we could do this by using the manual way by searching on Amazon for bestsellers. But that will still give us lots of data like the Jungle Scout Chrom extension, which will show you the estimated monthly sales, the daily sales, monthly revenue, date where the book was first published, numbers of reviews, and lots more. And if you don't know what a Jungle Scout Chrom extension is, a Jungle Scout Chrom extension is an Amazon product research tool, which is not limited to just medium or low content books. If you're dropshipping on Amazon or on Shopify or on TikTok, it's a great tool to use to research on your winning product. So to get more data and figure out what kind of medium content coloring book we are going to go for, we can go ahead and filter it down by clicking on the date of first published. Here you could see the recent published books here and the ones that are doing very well in terms of daily sales, monthly revenue, and reviews. This data tells us that this is a good niche for new sellers to get into that's not saturated and start making money as fast as possible. So we are just going to pick one of these coloring book as a guide or inspiration to create our own coloring book. So now that we've figured out what type of coloring books that we are going to put together and publish on Amazon KDP, our next step is to create this coloring book interior and cover. Oftentimes, this is one of the challenging parts, especially if you're not an artist like myself. Like I said, I'm not an artist, but I was able to do this as fast as possible. And I'm going to show you how I did it for free without having to design the interior myself. And you can do this within a few minutes, publish it on Amazon KDP, and start making money as soon as possible. So the next thing we're going to do is to go to a website called Creative Fabrica. So here on Creative Fabrica, let's scroll down, click on where it says start free trial. You can see with the free trial, you'll be able to access different coloring interior for free. Just click on the graphics, click on coloring book for adults. You can see different types of coloring pages interiors right here. Just go ahead and download the one you intend to use. But note, you cannot just go ahead and publish this as it is on Amazon KDP, because a lot of people are also downloading the same interior as well. What we have to do is modify it a bit to make it a little bit outstanding. So the next thing we're going to do is to go to Canva. You don't need a paid version of Canva, you can use the free version. So here on Canva, go to create a design, click on custom size, change this to inches. The width should be 8.5 and the height should be 11. Go ahead and create a design. So here you're just going to go ahead and upload the interior pages you downloaded from Creative Fabrica. So here, this is the one I downloaded. I added some affirmation words here, change the effect and also the font size. So you can also add some line art. If you go to element and search for line art, you'll see lots of them, maybe flowers, butterflies, or anything to give it a different design and a more newer look, and we're done. So to avoid a bleed through, make sure to add a blank page in between and go ahead and download your interior on a PDF format. So now that we've modified our interior coloring page, the next thing to do is to create our cover page, and we're going to go back to Canva right now. So back to Canva, and here we are. Create design. Custom size should be the same. Change it to inch. Width is 8.5, height is 11, and create design. Go to element and search for background. I choose this one, but I'm gonna change the color to plain color. I guess I like this one better. So I got this under the element, and I'm going to use it here. So let's just play around and be a little more creative here. You could add whatever you want to add. You could create whatever you want to add with all the free elements on Canva. You could use it to create a beautiful cover page for your coloring book. So here we'll have our front page and the back page. Let's go ahead and name this cover page and download it as a PNG file. The next thing we'll do is to get the exact same size of our coloring book cover page. With that, we're going to go to Google and search for Amazon cover templates. Click on this particular one right here. Let's fill in the information here. For the binding type, it's paperback. For the interior type, we'll go for black and white. For the paper type, white paper. For the page turn direction, left to right. Measurement unit should be inches. For interior trim size, is 8.5 by 11. And the page count is, depending on the number of interior page you downloaded on Creative Fabrica, calculate the dimension and download our templates. So now that we're done, let's go back to Canva, click on import file, bring in the cover template that we just downloaded, go ahead and open it. Let's take off all this text right here, they are not needed. So go to element and type in grid. Let's bring this here, add to both sides, and the next thing is to go ahead and upload our cover page, which we already designed. So let's add both our cover page here. So here you go, our coloring book covers are ready. Let's go ahead and download as a PDF file. So the next step is to go ahead and publish it on Amazon KDP. So in this video, I'm not going to go through that steps on how to publish it on KDP. I've already made a video on that, and if you don't know how to go through it, you can watch this video right here, and it will put you through step by step on how you could publish it on Amazon KDP. So in our next video, I'll be sharing with you how you can transcribe and sell more of your medium content books in other languages like German, Latin, French, etc. This will give you a broader audience with lesser competition to make more sales. In other ways, make more money. So if this is something that interests you, kindly subscribe and turn on your notification for our next video. And if you need other passive income ideas, I would recommend that you watch this video right here. I hope to see you next time. Peace.